the research paper titled Research on the Construction and Development of a Smart Hotel from the Perspective of Serving Customers. This insightful work was written by Xu Xia, a senior economist and academic affiliated with Wuling Tourism University in China. Let's move to the next slide. Uh, the paper was presented at the second International Conference on the Educational Science and Economic Management ICESEM in 2018 and was published in volume 184 of the Advance in Social Science, Education and Humanity. The paper has been cited 24 times according to the latest data platform like Google Scholar. This paper holds growing relevance in today's hospital industry where digital transformation is accelerating. A smart hotel combines modern technologies such as artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, big data analysis, and automation to elevate the overall guest experience. This paper frames in exploration from the customer service perspective, examining how technological integration directly improves customer satisfaction. It emphasizes four major services aspects that modern guests expects convenience, comfort, security, and comprehensiveness. As well, we will discuss further these dimensions helps hotel create lasting impression and build stronger customer loyalty in the highly competitive market. Now I will invite Mr. Nadasar to continue this presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Chatura. Let me now take you through the research methodology used in this paper. The author adopts a qualitative research approaches to explore the construction and future development of smart hotels. Rather than using surveys or experiments, the study analyzed trends by reviewing published literature, evaluating real-world case studies, and examines current technological advancements in both domestic and international contexts. The method grounded in customer-centric framework, meaning the research looks at smart hotel features from the viewpoint of guest needs and preferences. The author outlined four key perspectives that define in real smart hotel experience, such as convenience, comfort, security, and comprehensiveness. Let's look at each one more closely. Convenience includes features like mobile booking, self-service check-in and check-out, and automation of routing tasks. Comfort involves in-room personalization, adjustable lighting, smart climate control, and AI-centered environment. Security includes smart surveillance, restricted access using RFID or face recognition, and data encryption for privacy. Comprehensiveness relates of full service information, hubs offering level recommendations, local level lightings, and transportation options. The research also compares to adoption of smart technology in different regions. While countries like United States have pointed smart hospitality features, China is rapidly catching up with high-tech implementation, especially in luxury hotels. So now I am cordially invited to Shakila to continue the presentation.
Thank you, Nadasara. Now let's examine the key findings and suggestions from the paper. The research makes it clear that smart hotels are not just a futuristic concept. They are becoming a necessity. This is due to increase in customer expectations and the demand for seamless, personalized and tech-enabled experiences during travel and stays. One of the standout findings in the role of RFID and automation technologies in improving both the guest journey and backend efficiency. Internationally, Smart hotel trends began as early as 2006 in the United States with the adoption of RFID cards and automated guest room personalization in hotels like the Las Vegas city center. In China, smart hotels adoption is more recent but rapidly expanding. High-end hotels are incorporating intelligent control systems such as IoT-based room automation, AC, lighting and curtains, and digital TV integration, and also responsive room service apps. The author organizes customer-centric innovations into 4 actionable areas. Those are convenience, comfort, security, and comprehensiveness. Let's discuss about those 4 actionable areas. Convenience includes mobile apps for booking and checking, keyless entry, and real-time concierge services. Comfort includes AI-assisted climate and light control, entertainment preferences saved to guest profiles. Security includes encrypted smart access cards, surveillance integration, and intelligent emergency response systems. Finally, comprehensiveness includes information platforms combining local events and digital city guides and also dining reservations and transportation services. These innovations help boost not only customer satisfaction but also operational efficiency and profitability. Hotels can monitor service trends, predict peak usage times, and reduce energy waste. The paper concludes that combining these technological pillars leads to better brand loyalty, increased competitiveness, and ultimately long-term success in the long-term success in the evolving hospitality sector. I will invite to Darshana to continue the presentation.
Thank you, Shakila. I will walk you through the implications, recommendations, and final conclusions drawn by the author. Smart hotels represent more than just a technical upgrade, they significantly a full of transformation of the hotel experience. The industry is moving towards a new competitive frontier defined by three principles: intelligence, individualizations, and information. For hotel managers and developers, the paper recommends three key actions: invest smart infrastructure. This includes IoT devices, automated controls, and cloud platforms for data management. Leverage customer data. Collect insights from guest interactions to provide personalized offerings and improve satisfaction. Prioritize sustainability. Use intelligent energy management system and predictive analytics to reduce waste and cut cost. The paper also emphasizes that smart hotels enable faster adaptations to unforeseen situations. A good example is the COVID 19 pandemic. where contactless services like mobile check-in, facial recognition access, and voice activated room controls become critical to ensuring safety and convenience. In addition, the role of artificial intelligence in predictive analytics is crucial. AI algorithms can forecast booking trends, optimize staff scheduling, and even recommend dynamic pricing based on demand and market condition. This kind of data driven decision making helps hotel maximize revenue while improving guest experience through timely and tailored services. Another innovation that's gaining momentum is voice controlled room automation. Guests can now use smart assistants like Alexa or custom hotel voice apps to control lights, temperature, or entertainment system. This improves accessibility and reduces the need for physical contact with the surfaces, a trend that becomes especially important during health crises. Furthermore, the growing dominance of mobile first travel behavior means hotels must offer smooth mobile integrations across the entire customer journey, from mobile booking and keyless room entry to real time feedback collection and app based service. Mobile experiences are becoming a central pillar of modern hospitality. This system not only improve guest satisfaction but also give hostelier valuable behavior data to personalize services and predict needs. Moreover, smart hotels are not only beneficial to guests but also to hotel staff and management. Automation reduces the burden of repetitive administrative tasks, allowing staff members to focus on enhancing guest satisfaction. Systems can track room usage patterns, automate housekeeping schedules, and even detect maintenance needs before problems occur. Another important implication is the ability to scale and personalize services. By storing guest preferences securely, hotels can create custom experiences that make returning guests real feel recognized and valued. This level service personalization enhances customer retention and builds a strong brand reputation. The paper also highlights the importance of interpolation between platform, meaning hotel systems must communicate smoothly with booking engines, third party apps, and mobile platforms. This ensures that both guests and staff experience seamless service regardless of entry point. In terms of future direction, the paper suggests that success will belongs to hotels that embrace customer oriented design combined with scalable, secure, and responsive technologies. Also calls for stronger collaboration between hotel IT departments and hospitality teams to ensure smooth system adoption and training. To summarize, smart hotels increase guest satisfaction and operational effectiveness. They reduce human dependency while enhancing personalization. They enable adaptability in crisis situations. Interconnected systems ensure smoother operations. Adapting smart technologies is no longer optional. It is vital for staying relevant in the modern hospitality landscape. Thank you for listening. We look forward to answering any questions you may have. Thank you.